How to change your Wi-Fi password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your Wi-Fi password. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for, simply type in your Wi-Fi router IP address, so which is usually located on the back side or side of your router, so you can always check it, and it's usually 192.168.1.0 or 192.168.1.1. So in my case it's like this. So I will just simply reload the page from over here and it will get in or log in or create your search interface like as you can see on my screen currently. So you can now simply type in your username, which is most usually admin in most of the cases, and based on what you have set it, if you have changed it, you can simply type in your username and password over here. So once you log in to your device router IP address, you should get such interfaces. It might vary or be different according to different router or different Wi-Fi network. So just come over to your security option right over here, or you can also simply click on this network option and simply select this. If you have two different versions like 2.4 Hz, gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, you can simply select any one of these for now. And once you select it, you can see all the way down and you can see there's an option called WPA key, so it is basically your password. So you can simply come over here and simply delete it and update your password to what you want to set, and simply click on save and refresh it, and just like that you have successfully set it and changed your Wi-Fi password from your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.